If you're considering the Osprey Nebula 32 liters backpack, I highly recommend checking out its cousin, the Osprey Comet 40 liters. It might be an even better fit for you, and here's why. Let's start with the laptop compartment. The description says it's made for 15-inch laptop, but I'll be using my 16-inch MacBook and it fits perfectly. I'm also putting my tablet in there as well. As you can see, there's more than enough space and everything is nicely organized. Meanwhile, the Comet gives you top access only, while the Nebula opens up fully like a clamshell and has a bit more space. Which one's better really comes down to personal preference. Next, we move on to the main compartment. Now, it's not suitcase style, but it's very spacious, believe me. The main compartments of the Nebula and Comet are practically the same. Just look how many packing cubes fit in there. And not just packing cubes. After the main compartment is nearly full, we move on to the external pockets. Both backpacks has identical front pockets with spots for pants, your phone, or even a small pouch. Super handy for everyday stuff. And this is another pocket perfect for sunglasses and small items. It's the same on both the Nebula and the Comet. And by the way, all the travel accessories from this video will be listed in the description below, along with an Amazon link to all my favorite travel gear. Honestly, this is such a smart feature when you're traveling. A side pocket that makes it super easy to grab your passport or wallet on the go. One of my favorite features of the Osprey Comet, which the Nebula doesn't have, is this top handle. It's super handy when you are carrying the bag by hand, pulling out of a car or grabbing it from an overhead compartment. Unlike the Comet, the Nebula has this extra mesh pocket up front, perfect for jackets, and the side straps help keep everything secure and tight. Alright, now let's check out the bottle pockets and see that's it. Both the Nebula and Comet have the same side pockets, stretchy and hold. This strap makes it easy to secure both at 32 and 21 ounces bottle. And by the way, it's not just for bottles, you can also use it for things like an umbrella or tripod. And before they jump into the water resistance test, I just want to point out that the Nebula and Comet are basically close relative. Same type recycled nylon, smooth YKK zippers, similar padding, comfort straps, and even a built-in whistle on the chest strap for safety. Alright, let's test the water resistance. And yeah, mixed feelings here. For both the Nebula and the Comet, you've got for maybe 20 minutes in light rain before things start getting wet. So, better grab a rain cover just in case. As you can see, the pockets got soaked pretty quickly. And while I'm showing you how the backpacks looks on body, let's talk about which one is actually more practical for work, school travel or everyday carry. The Nebula is a bit more spacious, which might make it better pick for travel, but it does look a bit bulkier. Like I mentioned earlier, the main compartments on both backpacks are pretty much identical, so for most daily stuff, you'll have about the same space either way. But if portability is key for you and you want something that works for travel, work and etc., the Comet is honestly a super appealing option. It might just be the better fit for your style and needs. And honestly, both of these backpacks are great picks for minimalist travelers too. If you don't pack them too full, they can easily pass as a personal item on most regular airlines. And yeah, the one bummer at the end of this video is that the backpacks don't have a trolley sleeve. Well, anyway, let me know in the comments which backpack do you think is better. See ya!